Hi friends and welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Our kidneys play a vital role in removing waste from our bodies. If there's any trouble with the kidneys, it becomes challenging to filter out impurities. This can lead to problems in various parts of the body. Kidney issues often come with noticeable signs including pain. In this video, I will tell 3 areas of the body where pain may be noticeable as an early warning sign of possible kidney issues, emphasizing the importance of getting a checkup done promptly. Number 1, back pain. The kidneys are situated in the back on either side of the spine. Therefore, persistent pain in the back, specifically in the region where the kidneys are located, can be an early indicator of potential kidney problems. Individuals experiencing discomfort or pain in their back should consider this as a red flag and prioritize a medical checkup to assess kidney function. Number 2, pain in the ribs or sides. The sides of the body where the kidneys are located can experience pain when there are underlying kidney problems. Consistent pain in these areas may signify potential kidney distress. Ignoring such pain can lead to complications, emphasizing the need for individuals to be vigilant and seek medical attention promptly. Number 3, abdominal discomfort and pain. Kidney issues may also manifest as abdominal pain and discomfort. When kidneys are not functioning optimally, it can impact the metabolic processes in the body, leading to symptoms such as abdominal pain and even diarrhea. If you notice prolonged abdominal discomfort, especially accompanied by changes in bowel habits, it is advisable to consult a doctor and undergo a comprehensive checkup, including kidney function tests. Number 4, persistent swelling. Kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining the body's fluid balance. When they are not functioning optimally, excess fluid can accumulate, leading to swelling in the legs, ankles, face, or other parts of the body. Persistent and unexplained swelling should be checked up by a doctor. Number 5, chest pain. While chest pain is not a typical symptom of kidney damage, certain conditions related to the kidneys can directly or indirectly cause discomfort or pain that may be felt in the chest area. Severe kidney infections can lead to flank pain, that is, pain in the side or back. In certain cases, this pain might extend upwards and can be perceived as discomfort in the chest area. Polycystic kidney disease, PKD, is a genetic condition characterized by the growth of cysts in the kidneys. While chest pain is not directly associated with PKD, complications such as high blood pressure or heart-related issues may contribute to chest discomfort. It's important to emphasize that chest pain is a critical symptom that requires immediate medical evaluation. It is often associated with heart-related issues, but various other conditions, including those related to the kidneys, can contribute to chest discomfort. Always consult with a doctor to determine the cause of chest pain and to receive appropriate diagnosis and treatment. That is all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Healthy Natural Remedies channel for more content. Feel free to leave comments below on what you would like to see in the future videos. Until next time, take care and Shubham Bhavatu.